Alright, so you want to learn how to level the background music in your videos? Alright then. So we've all had the problem of slapping a music track under our video to add that little bit of extra but sadly being greeted by the worst sounding mix in the history of the world. So this little trick will help you level out your background music so it doesn't overpower your voice. In Premiere Pro, bring your music track onto a new track and line it up where you need it to be in the video. Then head over to the Effects tab and type in treble. Grab the treble effect and drag it onto your music track. Now we want to head up to the Effects tab and adjust the boost to -24 decibels. Now head back to your music track, right click and choose Audio Gain. Set the gain to -12 decibels and choose OK. Now quickly have a listen and determine whether the music has now been leveled out or if it's still too overpowering. Being greeted by the worst sounding mix in the history. If it's still too overpowering, then duplicate the first treble effect and this will add a bit more muffling to the background music track. But sadly, being greeted by. And if it's still too overpowering, you can right click and choose Audio Gain and set the gain to -18 decibels. So guys, this little trick will make sure you are being heard very clearly while still being able to have an absolute banger song in the background. And if you like this one, then please let me know below. And as always, stay creative and just be you. See ya. Oh my goodness, that's a bit loose as well. Put that back. Alright, it's like, alright, while you've still got some sort of banger or something in the background, stick to the script. Terrible when you go off